The Kenya Revenue Authority, in partnership with multiple agencies fighting illicit trade in the country, has seized an assortment of goods whose customs had not been paid for in the ongoing nationwide crackdown. The team seized 187 packets of Supermatch cigarettes and 26 boxes of Shaker's gin of this Toyota Raum and registration number KCD 340M in Oyugis Town in the county of Homa Bay. KRA's officers proceeded to search the house of the car owner and recovered a total of 1,851 boxes of Shaker's gin. Still in the same region, another suspect was arrested with 987 sachets of assorted flavors, while 165 bottles of gin and 7 sachets of Simba Waragi were seized in Rachuonyo Town in the county of Homa Bay as well. One suspect was arrested during the operation.